Hello, I am the parent of a child who is medically fragile, who has severe cerebral palsy. I wanted to talk to you guys about Home Hospital. And Home Hospital is a schooling that the child can receive at home, where a teacher comes into the home. The child gets 5 hours of schooling per week. So it can be 1 hour a day, or you guys can figure it out whether it's like 2 hours a day, hour and a half, one of the days, something like that. But I'm just going to be enrolling and getting situated with my son, so I wanted to document this and also help out other parents that were probably trying to figure it out as well, since I have no guidance at all. I'm in Southern California, so I will be dealing with their school districts, and so far the experience has been okay. I have been calling since May. It is now August. School actually starts tomorrow, but unfortunately my child won't be starting because we were not able to get the process rolling. I did fill out the paperwork on June 26th, and I waited for someone to call me. I wasn't getting any phone calls back, and so I'm starting to get the phone calls back now, and unfortunately he won't be starting tomorrow. Not that he would be starting with his other peers, because I'm trying to figure out, do I want him to be at home or go to the school, because he's nonverbal. He's 5 years old, but he has the brain of a 3 to 7 month old, and he's G-tube fed, and he's not potty trained. So like around his G-tube, he hasn't ever had any problems as far as like bubbling around the G-tube. Like, it's very clean. I'm afraid that if I let him go to school, that it's going to get infected. I don't want him to come back with any diaper rashes. I'm afraid that if I let him go to school, he's not going to get changed on time. I'm afraid that if I let him go to school, he might not get fed every 4 hours. Also, they have to have a nurse that is able to even do all of these things for him, and I'm afraid of the nurses, because I've had nurses that have came in the home and were very like scared or timid, like because he was even littler at the time, they didn't really know what to do. Especially he had a trach back then, and it was like maybe this was their first patient like that, and so the experiences weren't really great for me. So I'm just trying to be open to new experiences for him, and what I really wanted him to get was PT and OT, but unfortunately they say that they don't have anybody. Like, this is the academic setting, and so I need to call the special education department to see if they can have him enrolled into that. Just stay tuned, and if you have any questions, please ask me and I will get back to you.